In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Shopify Store Essential Default Settings. Once you are logged into your Shopify admin, start by going to Settings, then General. This is where you will lock in the core details Shopify uses across your store, your checkout, and your reports. Taking a minute to set these correctly now helps you avoid confusing invoices, incorrect shipping calculations, or campaign timing issues later. First, find the store name field. Enter the public brand name you want customers to see. This name can show up in places like your storefront, notifications, and parts of the customer experience, so use the version of your brand that you want to be recognized immediately. Keep it consistent with your logo and any other branding you are using. Next, move to billing information. Here you will confirm that your legal business name and address are accurate. This matters because it can appear on invoices and billing-related documents. Be careful and double-check spelling, punctuation, and the full address format. If your business has a registered legal name that is different from your brand name, this is the place to use the legal version, not your marketing name. After that, look for the section called Standards and Formats. This is where you set default options that affect how Shopify handles time and measurements. Start with the time zone. Choose the time zone that matches where you run your business day to day, because this impacts things like analytics timestamps and the scheduling of promotions or campaigns. If the time zone is off, your reports and scheduled events can look confusing or run at the wrong time. Then set your unit system, either metric or imperial, and choose your default weight unit. These settings are especially important for shipping calculations, product weights, and shipping rates, so select the options that match how you plan to measure and fulfill orders. Finally, set your store currency. This determines the default currency for your store and how prices are displayed. Make sure it aligns with the market you primarily sell to and the way you plan to price your products. When everything looks correct, click Save to lock in your changes. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.